In-vehicle network malfunction. Error message in your Mazda is always connected with the TCU, but it's not a transmission control unit, it's the Telematics Communication Unit. This is the small box that is responsible for all wireless connections in your car, like Bluetooth connection, internet connection, GPS connection, and all the things. So when you see this in-vehicle network malfunction, you can also not have the GPS connection. You can experience problems with connecting your phone to the vehicle. And also this small box is responsible for updates. Unfortunately, this box in Mazda cars has proven to be faulty. And first of all, it's faulty because of the battery that is located inside. There is a lithium battery that can go weak pretty fast, and it can go low voltage, and the box will start glitching heavily. Actually, replacing this battery is not a big deal, and you can do this on your own, but at first you will need to find this box that is connected in different places in various models, and you will need a proper manual for your exact Mazda model to find this telematics communication unit. Usually you will need to disassemble some trim in your car because it's located under and behind the front panel. But first of all, you should try disconnecting the 12-volt battery and letting this TCU box reset. When this TCU box resets, maybe you will not see the error message anymore for years. If this hard reset doesn't help, you may need to change the battery in the TCU, and in some rare cases, GPS antenna was the problem. But actually I think that dealerships replaced the GPS antenna just because of the codes that they found in this TCU, and the problem was not with the GPS antenna but with the TCU box, which is actually faulty. If your car is still under warranty, I would check for fresh updates to this TCU and actually software updates in your car, because if you can install the fresh update for free because you're under warranty, you should use it, because after your car is not under warranty, they will charge you $200-300 for just the software update. And the TCU software was faulty in 21-22, so if you don't have fresh updates, you will probably see this message quite often.